Ian, can you get on your bed? Can you get on your big boy bed? There it is. What you doing? What are those? What's in there? Uh-oh. Ian, what's in there? Are those your animals? Hey, is this your big boy room? You just interested in rolling that around? Nice game. Where are your books? There they are. Hey, where are your books? Show me. What's up there? Can you sit in your chair? Want to sit in your chair? Oh, what a big boy. Are you a big boy? You gonna feed Bon? Oh. Can you go sit on your bed? You go jump on your bed? Honey, get out of the way. Where's your bed? Yay! Ian's big boy bed. You gonna go night-night in there tonight? Ian, are you gonna go night-night in your big boy bed? You're ignoring. Go night-night. Say ah. Say night-night. Ah. You want one more jump and say bye-bye? Where's Ian? Where's your picture? Where's Ian? There he is. Oh, no, no, no. This is not a good game. Aw. Okay, say bye-bye.